Hey guys, so today I am bringing you this caramel apple inspired fall makeup tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Please subscribe before you leave and let's just get started. Okay, so I'm going to start off by using my Profusion Pigment Base Eyeshadow Primer to prime my eyelids. Almost dropped the cap. Oh, and I'm using the e.l.f. Flawless Concealer Brush. So then I'm going to use the LA Girl Keep It Playful Eye Palette. And I'm going to use this shade right here. Oh, this is the Keep It Playful Eye Palette in Foreplay. It's the golden one. And I'm using that shade to set my inner corner to brow bone area like I always do. Then I'm going to take the AOA Studio E126 brush and this shade right here is like a very light warm brown. It's really pretty and I'm just going to blend that in my crease. I'm going to go into the Juvia's Place Zulu Palette and I'm using this brown shade right here. It's like a really nice warm brown and I'm using the AOA Studio E128 brush to just pack that color on the outer corner of the eye. And then just go back in with that bigger brush that we used the first shade on and just blend that out a little bit. And then for my green apple shade, I'm using this beautiful green in the middle here and my Morphe M421 brush. I'm just taking that on the brush and spraying it with my NYX Bear With Me spray. I just moved it to a different bottle because I like the sprayer better. And I'm just putting that all over my lid and using that shadow to kind of cut out my crease. And then just take a little bit more just to really intensify that shadow. Really pack it on. And then I'm just taking a little bit more of that dark brown shade. And I'm just applying that on to the outer part of the green just to blend those two shades together. And that is the eyeshadow all done. So now I'm going to move on to my face makeup. And I'm first going to use, as always, my Pixie Hydrating Milky Mist and spray my face with that. And I'm going to use my e.l.f. Cookies and Dreams Just the Cream Putty Primer. And use that to prime my face. Just smooths out my skin and makes it help my makeup look a lot more smooth. Going to try out a newer foundation to me. I'm using the Catrice True Skin Hydrating Foundation. The other times I used this, it didn't look that great, but ever since I've gotten down a nice priming combo and skincare routine, I want to try it out again. And as always, I'm using my e.l.f. Total Face Sponge to blend that out. Now, something about this formula my skin just doesn't like. So now I've got dry patches showing just from that foundation. And then I'm going to use my e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer underneath my eyes. And I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. And I'm just pressing that powder down on my face with my sponge. Okay, and then I'm going to use my Essence Sun Club Matte Bronzing Powder Palette. And I'm going to use the lightest shade right here. And I'm just going to bronze up my face with that shade. And for blush, I'm going to use my Essence The Blush in the shade Bespoke. You are so cute. And I'm using my Morphe JH04 brush. There's like a bronzy blush. I feel like it matches this whole look the best. And then I'm going to use my Milani Baked Highlighter in the shade Dulce Perla and my Duke Care highlighting brush and just highlight my face with that. I'm also going to take that shade and apply it in my inner corner just to brighten that up right there. Then I'm going to use my e.l.f. Bite Size Brow Palette and this shade right here. And I'm also going to use my e.l.f. Eyebrow Duo brush with that. And then I'm going to use my Essence Extreme Lasting Eye Pencil in the shade Silky Nude. Apply that in my waterline to brighten up my eyes. And then I'm going to use my Essence Lash Princess Mascara. And just do a light coat